Третий класс, английский язык, звездный английский, домашнее задание. Моя комната такая красивая. Часть вторая, страница 34, 35, 36. English, Starlight 3. My room is so nice. Homework, part number 2, page number 34, 35, 36. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. It's getting late. It's getting late. It's getting late, and I really hate to say goodbye. Please don't go. It's getting late. Please don't go. It's getting late. Please don't go. I've got to go home. Please don't go. It's getting late, and I really hate to say goodbye. But I've got to go home. Oh no, please don't go. Boys and girls, we begin our walk. Open your books, please. Page number 34. 34. Phonics. Exercise number 1. Read the word sentences first to yourself, then aloud. Прочтите слова предложения сначала про себя, а затем вслух. Shot, shine, shake, shelf, shocked, sharpener, Sheila, mushroom, wish. Sheila wishes to sell mushrooms when the sun shines. Jam, job, jumper, orange, magic, magician, juggle. Jenny has got orange hair. She has got orange clothes too. What's Jenny's job? Jenny is a magician. Oi, noise, join, point, enjoy, toy, boy, Troy, Roy. Roy is in his room. He's got a friend. His name is Troy. Troy is an elf boy. Troy likes to dance. Come on, Roy, says Troy. Join the dance. Listen, who's that? That's Roy's mom. Oh no, hi, Troy. Roy, what's that noise? Roy's mom asks. It's okay, Mom, says Roy. It's just a toy. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2. Say the words. Find the word that is different. Сказать слова. Найдите слово, которое отличается. Shot, sun, shake, shocked. Orange, magic, girl, job. Bow, noise, point, join. The answer. Sun, girl, ball. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 3. Let's sing. Давайте петь. The magician shakes his magic wand and points at the noisy boy. And now his jumper is orange and he's juggling with the toy. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 35. 35. Exercise number 1. Look, read and complete the words. Посмотрите, прочтите и дополните слова. Pick picture? The answer: fridge, cooker, bathroom, ghost, carpet, kitchen. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2. Look at the picture and make sentences as in the examples. Посмотрите на картинку и составьте предложение, как в примерах. There are pictures on the wall. That's right. There is a mirror on the wall. That's wrong. There isn't a mirror on the wall. The answer: there are 2 cookers in the room. That's wrong. There aren't 2 cookers in the room. There is a wardrobe in the room. That's wrong. There isn't a wardrobe in the room. There are flowers in the vases. That's right. There are curtains in the room. That's right. There is carpet on the floor. That's right. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 3. Read and choose A or B. Прочтите и выберите A или B. Is there a radio on the table? Yes, there is. It's very dark in here. Let's open the curtains. Where are Anne and Helen? She's in the living room. They in the living room. That's right. What's that? It's a spider. Look, there are mice in the bathroom. Quick, close the door. Now I can say the rooms in a house. Say what there is in a room. Say and write about my house in English. Say what there is in a room. In my room there's a bed, a desk and TV. On my desk there is a computer and books. I sometimes listen my music. There's blue carpet on the floor in my room. My small room is so nice. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 36. Our world. Exercise number 1. Read and choose. Прочтите и выберите. The answer: this is my house in London, England. It's big. There is a garden and garage for our car. This is our cottage just outside Dublin, Ireland. There is a big garden around our house. A lot of birds come and visit us every day. My home is a flat in Paris, France. There isn't a garden, but there's a very nice balcony. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is